next part of this unit, we will be building on the pattern we have already learnt and looking at how to encourage children to give reasons for their answers. This will enable both the children and yourself to develop your speaking skills and patterns. The patterns in this video can be used when you are discussing various items in the school setting, and when you wish to give an opinion about something in Gymraeg. Working with a pattern you have already learnt. Pam wyt ti'n? Meaning, why are you? Let's develop it. Pam wyt ti'n hoffi'r llun? Why do you like the picture? Ag eto, pam wyt ti'n hoffi'r llun? There are many different answers you could give. Achos mae o'n lliwgar, because it's colourful. Notice that as the word llun is masculine, we refer to the picture then as fo. Another answer you could give is achos dwi'n hoffi'r lliwiau. Because I like the colours. Achos dwi'n hoffi'r blodau. Because I like the flowers. We'll change the pattern slightly now as we ask why someone doesn't like something. Listen to the pattern as we ask why someone doesn't like the story. A story. Pam dwyt ti ddim yn hoffi'r stori? Why don't you like the story? Ag eto, pam dwyt ti ddim yn hoffi'r stori? As you remember, we add a D and the word ddim when we use the negative. What kind of answers could we give to that question? Achos mae hi'n drist. Because it's sad. Achos mae hi'n ddiflas. Because it's boring. Notice that the word story is feminine. We refer to the story as he. Another answer you could give is achos dwi ddim yn hoffi'r cawr. Because I don't like the giant. Achos dwi ddim yn hoffi'r lluniau. Because I don't like the pictures. You could use these patterns to ask the children about all sorts of things in the school setting. A story, a teddy, a character in a cartoon. It's a great way to engage the children and to encourage them to interact using their thoughts and feelings. Mwynhewch. Enjoy.